Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I hope so. You all are fine. Welcome to all of you in online sport program F6 Rawat. I am your teacher Ika Jamil and today is my second lecture of second week. I hope so you will enjoy it. First, have a look on the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, you had learned about the prime numbers and the composite numbers. And now, in this lecture, you will learn about the prime factorization. Prime factorization is a breaking up a number into a product of its prime number. Mean breaking a composite number into the product of its prime number. Look at the example. The 10 is a composite number while 2 into 5 are prime numbers. Means the breaking of composite number into the prime number is called prime factorization. Okay class, let's start to break up the composite numbers into the prime numbers. One is express the 24 as a product of its prime factors. Means convert the 24 into the prime factors. The factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. It's mean 24 is a composite number. So you have to choose the prime numbers to convert this number into the prime. Means prime factors. So 24 is a composite number and a even number. So first of all you have to choose the even prime number because the 24 is a even number. So you have to multiply the 2 with the number which gives the 24. If you multiply the 2 with the 12, it gives 24. Circle the 2 because the 2 is a prime number but the 12 is not a prime number. So you can continue this until you got the prime number at the end. Now you again multiply the 2 with the sum number to give us 12. So we multiply the 2 with the 6 which gives 12. 2 is a prime number and 6 is also called a composite number. So again this is the even number. You can start with the even number, even prime number. So when you multiply the 2 with the 3 it gives 6. At the last you see the 2 and the 3 both are prime numbers. So you don't need to be continue this. So we use a prime factorization to express the 24 as a product of its prime factor. Means product means multiplication of its prime factors. 24 is equals to 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 and multiply with 3. Now move to the question number 2. Here you see that 64. Find the prime factorization of 64. Again I am telling you 64 is a composite number. So composite plus even number. So you will start to factorize it with the even number. If there is a even number in the composite, then you will start to solve the question with the even prime number. Here 2 multiplied by 32 gives 64. Again the 2 is a prime number but 32 is a composite number and even number. You choose the number 2 for factorization with 16. 2 16 are 32. Again you see the 16 is a composite number. So when you multiply the 2 with 8 it gives 16. 2 is a prime number, 8 is also a composite number. Again you can convert into the prime number. So you can use 8 is an even number. So you can start with the 2. 2 multiply with 4. 2 4 are 8. You see student, now we again got a composite number 4. And as you know this is the even number and you choose the even prime number which is 2 multiply with 2 which gives 4. At the last you see 2 2 2 2 again 2 and the last 2. All the 2's are prime number. So you can write the factor of 64 in the product as 2 into 2, again 2 into 2, and at the last is 2. Now we are moving toward the question number 3 with the division method. Okay class, and now in the question number 3, write the 108 as the product of its prime factor. It means here you can divide the numbers to get the value. Mean 108 is a composite number as well as an even number, so you can choose the even prime number, which is 2. You can divide the 108 with 2. At the right side you see the division method. 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. It means 254 are 108. So we write 254 are 108. Again 2 2 are 4. Here the 1 carry to the 4, which makes 14, and 2 7 are 14. Now at the next step you see the 27, and 27 is a odd number, composite or odd number. So you can choose the odd prime number to solve this. The smallest prime odd number is 3. You can solve it with the 3. Means you can read the table of 3. Is 3 9 are 27. Next again the 9 is also a odd or a composite number, so you can again choose a smallest odd prime number, which is 3. So let me check, is 3 is proper solving the 9? Yes, 3 3's are 9. Again the 3 3 1 are 3. So the factors of 108 are 2 into 2 into 3, 3 into 3 and 3, which makes 108. Okay class, we will start the question number 4 on the page number 16. Is 448 as a product of its prime factors. So first of all you have to see this number is a even number. It's mean 448, 8 at the last is an even number, so you can choose the even prime number. The first one is 2. You have to divide the 2. 2 2 are 4, again 2 2 are 4, and again 2 4 are 8. I can help this by the division method. You see 448, so 2 2's are 4, and again is 2 4, and the left amount is 8, and 2 4's are 8, and there is no reminder after this. So same like this number is also a even number. You can choose the even prime number. The 2 1's are 2, 2 1's are 2, and 2 2 are 4. Again this is the even prime number, sorry, even number, so you can choose the even prime number again, which one is 2. I can solve this for you. We can divide the 112 with 2. Okay, and this one is like here 1 1 2, and you have to divide with the 2. As you know that the 1 is smaller than 2, so you can choose the two numbers, which one is 11. 2, 5 are 10. The 1 is reminder here and 2 from the upper side. Now 2, 6 are 12. No reminder. It's mean 2, 56 are 112. Now 56 is again an even number and you can again choose the even prime number. The only one is 2. Again 2 to the 4 and the 1 from the 5 is moving toward the next number as a carry, and this will make the 16, and 2, 8 are 16. Now again the even number 2, 1 are 2 and 2, 4 are 8. Again the even number, the 14 is again the even number, so you can choose the 2, 7s are 14. So the student, 7 is a prime number. So the factor of 448 are 2, 2, again 2, 2, 2, 2 and 7. Okay class, please solve the book page number 6 practice on the loose sheets with the both method. If you feel any difficulty, please contact with me. I will help you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.